Hello, here is company Monax, and today we present the DX-120. It is the most powerful machine in the product line. Equipment designed for drilling holes with a diameter up to 125 mm, as well as for boring and countersinking. This equipment suitable for operation in harsh conditions and under high loads. It features a special design for maximum rigidity and has a large power reserve. So, features of this equipment. First, two entrance initial elements are mounted with KM4 to transmit high torque. Second, the 4-speed gearbox ensures versatile application. Next point is high adjustment of the drive relative to the guides allows for increased working stroke if necessary for you. Next, the cover and body of the electric motor are made of impact-resistant plastic. Double dovetail guides, convenient drive movement fixation, and ergonomic rubberized handle control. Also, buttons are located under a protective panel, and massive base of special geometry provides the best rigidity, reduced tool wear and higher drilling speed. About technical points, I can say that it has maximal diameter of crown drills 125 mm, maximal drilling depth 100 mm, diameter of spiral drills 42 mm maximal, diameter of countersinks 18 mm maximal, working stroke 220 mm, and magnetic base holding force has 20,000.